Welcome. This training is about the British curriculum and IGCSE. In this training, you will learn the following: 1. What is the British curriculum? 2. What are the benefits of the British curriculum? And 3. International recognition of the British curriculum. So, let's get started. What is the British curriculum? The British curriculum is also known as the national curriculum for England, and this system of education stresses creativity, critical thinking, and flexibility. Simultaneously, the British curriculum includes a series of measurable and achievable goals, each designed to build on what went before while preparing the student for their future work. One of the first steps in selecting a great school for your family is understanding the curriculum they follow. There are several great options to choose from, and each has impressive benefits for the students who study under that system. Let's take a look at what the British curriculum looks like and how it works. You don't have to be in the United Kingdom to get the benefit of a great British education. There are plenty of international British schools, too. The British curriculum is also known as the national curriculum for England, and this system of education stresses creativity, critical thinking, and flexibility. Simultaneously, the British curriculum includes a series of measurable and achievable goals, each designed to build on what went before while preparing the student for their future work. What are the benefits of the British curriculum? 1. A globally recognized system. 2. A focus on both breadth and depth. 3. Well-defined key stages provide clear understanding of progress, unlike the American curriculum, which does not explicitly define the stages of education. The British system is organized in well-defined blocks known as key stages. The first stage is the early years for students from 2 years old through 5 years old. Once the student enters primary level, they start with Key Stage 1 (KS1) from ages 5 to 7, before moving on to KS2, which lasts from age 7 to 11. After completing the primary key stages, students begin the secondary stages with KS3 and KS4, which are for ages 11 to 14 and ages 14 to 16, respectively. Students who plan to continue to university may then begin the pre-university KS5, where they will study from age 16 to 18. Since the stages are explicitly defined and students are assessed at the end of each key stage, the stages provide a simple, clear overview of the progress a student has made. 4. Schools encourage growth beyond the classroom. Having seen how the British curriculum is structured, it is important to understand how this system can benefit your child. Each education system provides unique benefits to learners based on the explicit and implicit goals of the educational framework. International recognition of the British curriculum. The British curriculum is one of the most popular curricula in English-speaking international schools. As one of the leading international curricula, the British curriculum is recognized by schools, academies, universities, and employers worldwide. Whether you plan to stay in one place for the remainder of your children's education or foresee your family moving several times before graduation, knowing that your child's education will be applicable and transferable to other schools and universities is crucial to ensuring educational outcomes. Let's take a look at the transferability of the British curriculum. The world is becoming more connected every day, so it is important to choose an education that is recognized around the globe. The British curriculum is one of the most popular curricula in English-speaking international schools. As one of the leading international curricula, the British curriculum is recognized by schools, academies, universities, and employers worldwide. Coiled from world-school.com